Welcome class to Meganomics 101. Today I'm going to be giving you makeup advice on how to do a bird makeup like this. So let's get started because class is in session. You want to be just creative, just kind of go all out, which I understand is a little intimidating, so I'm going to give you just a few basic strokes to get you on your way. You want to start the beginning of the eye to be lighter so that you can use this area for more of the fun stuff. And I'm going to make it go real high, and it doesn't really matter how far out because you're going to be covering it up with feathers anyways. Just keep it straight right in here at least. So just like that. And then I'm going to take the Boletto airbrush makeup and I'm going to create a pretty foundation for her on the side of her face. And I've mixed green, blue, and white. And I'm just going to spray some shapes. And you don't have to do this with airbrush makeup. You can do this with just one solid light color, anything really. I'm just using it because I have it. And it's fun. I'm just starting to grab colors. I know that I'm going to stay in the blues and the greens tones. So I start with my lightest blue. And I'm just swiping, like in very nonchalant, making a mess, but in a controlled way. And that's it, just creating like a foundation for where I'm gonna go next. Then I'm gonna get darker. And I'm gonna start moving into some blues. You could use creams, you can use eyeshadows. I'm using watercolors, just this basic effect of making a mess and flailing some colors around. We can just throw some colors. See, I'm just throwing colors. Because the detail will come later when I want to actually make feathers. Here I'm just creating the bases of the feathers. And just keep making lines until I feel like I've got something fun and interesting and a lot of color contrast everywhere, contrasts and colors. And they don't have to be even because they'll have the same energy on both sides, just a lot of colors in stroke-like ways. And now I'm going to go in and start painting feathery lines. And it's just one stroke and then a bunch of little lines after it, like a tree or like a leaf, same thing. People will get it. And that's the whole thing. People will get it. This is bird-like, it's fun, it's calypso, it's paradise, it's getting the point across. So basically, I'll go into one of the swoops of color, and I'll go with my white, and I'll draw a line, just like that. And that'll give us the illusion of a feather. And you can place them wherever. Don't do feather, 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 feather. You can do it in different colors, but with just the white, keep that to a minimum. And then the last and final thing is the black line underneath this white. And kind of bring it, put your hand like this and then like this. Kind of bring it down a bit. And you can even go a little bit on top of the makeup. And a crazy wild lip, and that's pretty much, and then some fun lashes, and that's it. Class dismissed.